Good morning, student. On last turn, I explain you question number 1 and 2 of exercise 9.1 and given to you third and fourth question for homework. Now let us see question number 5 of exercise 9.1. See the question number 5, exercise 9.1. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. This is your kite which is 60 meter above the ground. The string is attached to the kite, temporarily tied to a point on the ground. This is a string which make the angle of 60 degree. Find the length of this string. Let C is a kite flying at a height 60 meter. AC is string of length x meter. So perpendicular is given to you, hypotenuse is to be calculated. Perpendicular and hypotenuse is used in sine 60 in triangle CAB. Sine 60 is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Perpendicular is 60, string is length of x meter. So cross multiply x root 3 is 122, 122 upon root 3, multiply and divide by root 3 upon 3, 3 4 ja, that is 40 root 3 meter is the answer. So this is the length of a string. See the question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Now these from question number 6 to question number 16 all of two triangle system. Up to question number 5 there was only one triangle. Here from question 6 to 16 there are two triangles formed in a figure, and we will solve these question by finding the value from one triangle and putting the value in another triangle, or by finding the relation and putting this given relation in another triangle. Let us see the question number 6. 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. This is 1.5-meter tall boy. This is 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation of from his eye to the top of building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walk toward the building. First, from here, from his eyes, he see that angle of elevation is 30 degree. Now this tall boy move some distance, reaches this point, and is this point from his eye, its angle of elevation become 60 degree. Find the distance he walked toward the building. That means you have to calculate this distance. So, taking AB, CD, EF, let AB is a tall boy of height 1.5 meter. CD is a building of height 30 meter. AB is equal to FD 1.5 meter, CF is equal to CD minus DF, 30 minus 1.5, 28.5 meter. And this taking, let EF is equal to Y and AE is equal to X. In triangle, there are two triangle, right angle triangle, CEF and CAF. CEF and CAF. By CEF we find out EF, and using this value we will put this value in CAF and finding the X. In triangle CEF, perpendicular is, you know, that is 28.5, base is to be calculated. Perpendicular and base is given in identity 10. So tan 60 is perpendicular upon base. Tan 60 is root 3. Perpendicular is 28.5. Base is y. Y is equal to 28.5 root 3. Multiply with its conjugate. So it will be 28.5 root 3 upon 3. This 3 9 ja 9.5 root 3 meter. Now taking another triangle, Now in triangle CAF, tan 30 is equal to perpendicular upon base, because angle 30 is given to you, perpendicular you know it, we have to calculate the base, so we will use 10. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, perpendicular is 20.8.5 and base is x plus y. This total distance A to F. Cross multiply x plus y is equal to 28.5 root 3. Putting the value of y 9.5 root 3, 28.5 root 3 and x is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. So 0, this is root 3, 18 minus 9, 9 that is 1, 19 root 3, 19.0 root 3. So we can say a boy move 19 root 3 meter towards the building. Next question, question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower fixed at a top of 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of tower. Question number 7. This is a building of height 20 meter. This is tower of height h. The angle of elevation of bottom and top of transmission tower from a point on the ground. This is point on the ground, this is the bottom and this is the top. Angle of elevation is 45 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of tower. This is A, B, this is C and this is point P. Let AB is building of height 20 meter, AC is tower of height h. P is any point on the ground in triangle and PB is equal to x. In triangle APB, perpendicular is given, base to be calculated. Perpendicular and base is used in 10. 1 is equal to 20 upon x. This is 20 perpendicular, base is x. Cross multiply, x is equal to 20 meter. Now in triangle CPB, tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. Tan 60 is root 3, perpendicular h is this one, 20 is this one. It becomes h plus 20 upon x, and root 3 is equal to h plus 20 upon, we calculated x is 20, so putting the value of x is 20. So x is equal to 20 we have calculated. Cross multiply, h plus 20 is equal to 20 root 3, and h is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. Taking 20 common, root 3 minus 1 meter. So therefore height of tower is 20 root 3 meter. 20 root 3 minus 1 meter. So your question number 8 is your homework. Thank you.